How to use Pinterest to promote your business. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how you can use Pinterest to promote your business online. If you have any kind of business on any of the e-commerce platform, you have a store on WooCommerce, Shopify, you run a print on demand on Teespring, Redbubble, you will be able to promote your products very easily for free on Pinterest. How to do so, that's what we will cover in this video. So let's get into it. First of all, you can go to Pinterest.com and you can sign up. You can sign up with your Google account or you can use your email address to create an account. Once you have an account on Pinterest, Pinterest is a social media and a search engine that gives you a lot of different pictures right here. These are called pins, and with each pin, we have different types of inspirations, and most of the time, there are different products that are being promoted on Pinterest with a photo or a video. How you can do that too? Well, it's pretty simple. You require a Pinterest account, and then you're gonna actually go to the create option here and simply create a new pin. So once you get right here, you'll be able to see we have two parts. We have where we upload the image or a video, then we have a title, we have to enter our description, and at the bottom here, we have a destination link. So with Pinterest, it's actually really common to promote your business and your products. Now we will move on to the business part. So I will be showing you redbubble.com as an example. Redbubble is an amazing platform where we can sell different products. It's a print on demand e-commerce platform where you can create your own clothes, you can create your print on demand pillows, posters, phone cases, stickers. We have hats that we can create, wall art, and it's a really good platform where we can get started as a complete beginner with our online business. So on Redbubble, again, you require an account. You can create one with your Google account or using your email address. I'll just log into my Redbubble really quickly so that I'll show you, if you have a store, what you will do. So this is what a Redbubble looks like. You can see we will search for any of the product that we go for. So I sell t-shirts. So what I can do is I'll open up my store and you can see we'll get our products here, any product that we have created. So we want to promote that product on our Pinterest. We'll open up the product first. Let's say we have this t-shirt. So I'll open it up. And now you can see this is the product and this is the design that we have. And now this is a simple product that people can buy. They can add to cart, and this is the price. In order to promote this on Pinterest, we will require to create a pin. So this is the way we promote. And how we can create a pin? Well, we'll have to use a third-party tool which is known as Canva.com. Canva.com is a designing tool that allows us to create different presentations. We can design logos, we can create, social media posts and much more here. So I create my Pinterest pins from here. It's actually really simple. You can sign up for free with Canva, again with your email address, or you can use your Google account. So this is a free account that I have, and what I like to do is I just go for Pinterest pins right here in the template section, and it takes me to these amazing templates that we have here. Now on Pinterest, we know that different types of pins are created. So let me actually give you an example really quickly. All right, so you can see we have a lot of pins related to outfit inspiration, and that's what we are going for. If we will show people a new outfit or a design, then they will of course buy it, because on Pinterest, people are looking for inspiration and they are the potential buyers. They're looking to buy products like that. So all we need to do is just create a very attractive pin so that people click on it, add to their board, and buy it. So we'll add the link too. So that's the goal. We're gonna go to the Canva now. Okay, perfect. So on Canva, you can see we have some of the examples available. These are the kind of pin that we can create. I can scroll down to check out a good template for an outfit or to promote. You can see this is actually a promotion of a product that we have here. So this one is actually quite similar to what I'm going for, and we'll get some related as well. So let's go with this template here and click on customize. So I'll get rid of the image that we have here. You can see we can customize everything on Canva. I'll go to my Redbubble now, and we can actually get this design right here. So what I'll do is I'll just save this image to my computer and we'll create a mockup for this design to add to our Pinterest. Or what I'll do is I'll just add this design directly to my pin here. We can also download the mockups like this. This is the image. Once the image is downloaded, what you will do is you'll add it to your pin right here, and we will customize the text too. So when it comes to customizing the text, in text, you don't need to write directly buy my product or something like that. It's very subtle how we do the promotion on Pinterest. You will just write that this is like a new design or the t-shirt or the top trending t-shirt designs, something like this. So what I will do is I'll just write the text trending t-shirt designs so that people click on it to check my pin. They will read the description, and then they will also get a link to a Redbubble store that will have the products they're looking for. Trending t-shirts, and we can customize our text. We can make it bold, and then we can change the color. What I will do is I'll change the color from here, and okay, I'll actually decrease the line spacing as well, and it will look like this. Now I'll get rid of this text here at the bottom, and this is where we can add a website link too. So we can add a link address within our pin here too. So what we will do is we'll just get the link from our Redbubble store here, copy the link and paste it right here. You can shorten your link with Bitly. Once you have added the link on your pin, you have added the image. Let me actually upload it now. It's downloaded. Okay, let's say that this is my product. So what I will do is I'll add it right here. Now you can see this is what it looks like. I'll make the text a little bigger. Place it here. When it comes to the background color, we can keep it white or we can change it. So what I'll do is I'll actually change it a little bit according to the color. Okay, this looks better. Then we have a pink, but let's actually make it lighter like this. Now it looks good, and we can change this color like so. Now we have a pin created. What I'll do is I'll click on share and download. You can also take it directly to Pinterest. So once it's downloaded, you're going to get back to your Pinterest. On your Pinterest, you'll upload the file that you just downloaded. Once you upload it right here, then you will enter the title. Now for the title, again, you will just go for the, trending t-shirt designs and something like that. You can also add an alt text. In the description, you will write a pin, and in destination link, you will go to your Redbubble, any business that you have a Shopify store, you have a Wix store, Squarespace store, any store you have, you will get the link and paste it right here. Once you paste the link, then you will be able to create a pin that promotes your business. This way, you can use Pinterest for free promotion. It's a free platform to sign up for, has billions of users that are potential buyers. So it is one of the ways to promote your business. Go ahead and check it out right now. If you are still, struggling with the promotion of your business, then you can use Pinterest.com. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.